What's up everybody, it's your boy Frank from Bangin Gears. This is video number 2 in my series from Cruisin, Ocean City, Maryland, where I film all day, I edit all night, and I bring you a new video at 6 a.m. every morning for the next 4 days. So when you have your morning coffee, you can check out my new video. Also in those videos, as most of you know, I do giveaways. Yesterday we gave away a Bangin Gears fleece. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. And today, we're gonna give away a Bangin Gears baseball cap and another COVID-19 Bangin Gears face mask, which hopefully we won't need anymore, but you never know. So, to put yourself in the running to win the gear, you need to subscribe to the channel on YouTube, like and comment on that video, and that puts you in the running to win the gear in that video. So, there are 4 videos, 4 chances for you to win, so make sure you like and comment and watch all 4 videos. Also, if you're interested, you can check out our new Facebook group that's strictly automotive. It's called the Bangin Gears Garage. I'll put the link on the screen, and I'll also put a clickable version of that link in the video description. Other than that, the weather's been absolutely beautiful. If you're not here, you really missed out. So stay safe, and we'll catch you tomorrow morning on Bangin Gears.
Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my time.